Let's Hub exam series with Priya. So my name is Priya. I'll be conducting the exam series for basically 10 students. So let's start with 10 students. So before I start the exam series, basically I'll discuss the question chapter wise. So before I start that, let's have a discussion on the syllabus. Okay, like what is the syllabus, how and the syllabus discussion will be for CBSE as well as Bihar board. So let's start our discussion around here. Okay, so right, we are going to discuss the syllabus for Bihar board and as well as for CBSE. Okay, so you can see this is the first unit. Okay, now in the first unit we have 4 chapters for CBSE. Okay, now this is the first is CBSE. Okay, so the first chapter is chemical reactions and equations. Then we have acid, bases and salt, metals and non-metals, and carbon and compounds. So basically this is your chemistry section. Okay, so this is the chemistry section. Now we have world of living, wherein the chapters are life processes, control and coordination, reproduction, heredity and evolution. Again now this is in bio part. Okay, the third unit is natural phenomena, in which we are going to have this reflection and refraction of light, also human eyes and the colorful world. Okay, now the next is effects of current, next unit, in which 2 chapters are there, electric current and magnetic effects of current. So both these 2 units are for basically for physics. Okay, it falls under physics. Then we have natural resources, in which we have a chapter, our environment. Okay, now this is very basic chapter, right? If you have a good understanding of these chapters, you can easily gain marks. Okay, so this was the syllabus. Now I'll show you the marking scheme, like from which unit how many marks of question comes in your examination. So here you can see for the first unit, that is chemical substances, you have 25 marks in your examination. Okay, so if you're well with this unit, easily 25 marks you can gain. Okay, if not 25, you can get at least 20 marks. Okay, let's say 20 marks easily in your pocket, right? Then we have world of living. Again, if you are thorough with this chapter, you have 25 marks from this section as well. So again, I can say you can easily gain 20 marks. Then natural phenomena is for 12 marks, and effects of current is for 13 marks. So I can say in total that physics chapter is again for 25 marks. Okay, the natural resources is just for 5 marks. Okay, now 5 marks also you can gain easily, because this chapter is very easy. You need to just have an understand. Okay, so easily 5 marks is in your pocket. So a total of 80 marks is the theory part. Okay, then internal assessment you get 20 marks. So give your internal assessment properly, so you gain those marks from there also. Okay, and a grand total of 100 marks. So this is the distribution of marks on all the units. Okay, now let's talk about Bihar board. So in Bihar board, these chapters are available. In the chemistry section, we have chemical reaction, acid, bases and salt, metals and non-metals, carbon and compounds, and periodic classification of elements. So again, it's very much similar to CBSE, only few topics are here and there. So here you can see periodic classification of elements is also present, whereas in CBSE it's not there. Okay, so this is the chem part. Then we have life processes, control and coordination, how do organisms reproduce, and heredity and evolution, which is again a part of biology. Okay, then we have our next segment, that is light, refraction and refraction, human eye and colorful world, electricity, magnetic effects of electric current, sources of energy, our environment, and management of natural resources. So these chapters are there. Now these 4 will come under physics, and these 4 will come under natural resources part. Okay, so this is the syllabus for the Bihar board, 10th syllabus. Now let's talk about the marks weightage for Bihar board. So here you can see chemical compounds, that is your chemistry part, you get 18 marks. From the living world you get 16 marks. How things work, we have 10 marks question. Natural phenomena we have 8 marks, and natural resources we have again 8 marks. Okay, so in total 60 marks is for theory part. Now for practical or internal assessment, whatever you can say, there is 40 marks of question. 40 marks you can easily gain from your practical part or the internal assessment. Okay, so this was about the marks weightage in the Bihar board. Okay, now in my next video I'll be discussing the strategy to how to score more and more marks. So please do see the video till end. Okay, all right, so we'll meet in the next videos with the proper plan and strategy. Until then, if you have anything, please write it in the comment box. Please share and subscribe my video. So let's meet in the next sessions. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and